Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to show text after hovering over an image in Wix. So here I am in my Wix website, and this is the example of the image. So when I hover over it, it changes as well as the text. So what if we will change this where we will only show text after hovering over this? And in order to do this, let's go back to our editor. So I'll just delete this first and we will create a new one. So let's go to add elements and then go to interactive and then go to hover boxes. So you can choose any of the templates right here. It doesn't matter what we will choose because we will change their actual image to show only text after hovering over it. For example, I just want to choose this one, so I'll just drag and drop this. So here is our hover box. So this is the regular state of the hover box, and when you click over this, it will say that this is the hover state of this hover box. So we will change this. As you can see, it has different images for the regular and the hover state of the hover box. So what we'll do, let's click on hover and then we will delete the image around it so we can only show the text that we want. Example like this. So I'll just delete this. So what you can do is you can just click on add elements, add a text, insert it here on the box, and then here we have our text inside the box. For example, I'll just put in a sample text, then I'll just copy this into our hover box. I'll just adjust the size like that, and then as you can see, our regular state and hover state of the hover box is now different. So when I click on preview, when I hover over it, the text only shows up when we hover over our hover box. If you want to change it some more, let's go to the hover box again. We can insert an image right here. Just click on upload images if you have your own image right here. But if you want to use the Wix gallery, you can go to media from Wix, then just choose any image that is displayed here. Maybe I'll just choose this one. And then we will adjust this into our hover box. And what we can do is we can right click on this, go to arrange and send this to the back so that we have our text in front of the image. So if you want to add some more things, we have different elements right here from text until CMS, but usually you can just use text, button, image, and some other shapes right here. And again, when we click on preview, when we hover over our image, we can see our text and our change image whenever we hover over this hover box. And that is it for this video. I hope you learned how to show text after hovering over an image in Wix. And that is it for this video, and thank you for watching.